How to use Visual Studio Code for C programming. If you are willing to write a code on C programming on Visual Studio Code and don't know how, then follow these instructions. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure. First, make sure that you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your laptop. After that, click on search bar and open Visual Studio Code. Now you will see this home page, and before you start writing the code, make sure that you have downloaded the extension C/C++ on your Visual Studio Code, and after that click on this option and here click on file. Now click on open folder. Now you need to create a folder on your desktop or on your documents. Here I have already created new folder on desktop. After that click on open. Now you need to add a new file on this folder. Simply click on this first option just beside your folder name and it will create this field. Type in the name for your file and make sure to add .c extension at first. After that click on enter and you'll be directed to this new page. Now here type in the code that you want to run, and following this simple and easy step you can now easily run programming on your Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.